Good day, everyone. We are working out number 6 of CSEC Mathematics, paper 2, June 2022. This is the measurement question. We have a semicircular cylindrical base here for the solid with a rectangular prism above it. All right, this is a solid object. It is not a container. Okay, the diameter of the cylindrical base and the width of the rectangular prism are 4 centimeters each. All right, so they want us to calculate the total surface area of the solid, and they give us some assistance in the form of a formula for the surface area of a whole cylinder. Remember, we are dealing with half of a cylinder, not a whole cylinder. So let's find the surface area of the cylinder. All right, a value of pi was not given. All right, so we will have to assume that it's 3.14 or 22/7. Okay, so let's get the surface area. The surface area of this cylinder, semicircular cylinder. All right, so it'll be half of this 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r each. All right, so let's go ahead. We know that the radius is half the diameter. So r will be equal to 2 centimeters because the diameter is 4 centimeters, which was told to us in the question. The diameter of the cylindrical base is 4 centimeters. So radius is 2 centimeters. So we have 2 squared here. That's 2 pi r, which is 2. H is 12. All right. So we have the 12 centimeters as our height. All right, which is this distance here. 12 centimeters. All right, and we want to work this out. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 pi plus 12 twos are 24 by 2 is 48 pi. All right, which should be a half of 56 pi, which is 28 pi. And if pi is 22/7, you'll have 28 multiplied by 22/7, which gives us 88 cm squared. All right, so we can assume pi equal 22/7, right? That's our assumption we make. All right, so this will give us the surface area of the cylindrical portion of the solid, but we need to get the surface area of the cuboid or the rectangular prism. Remember, we have one face here, which is a 4x4, right? 16 cm squared. Over here, we have the same face, 16 cm squared. Up here, sorry, in the back here, we have a 12x4, 48 cm squared. In the front here now, this front part, same 48 cm squared. On top here, we have 48 cm squared, but we have no base. Well, we do not have a base. So it's 48 by 3. All right, so you want to get a surface area of the cuboid rectangular prism. All right, so we're looking at 48 times 3 plus 16 times 2. All right, so 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12, and 1 is 14, plus 32. So 176 centimeters squared. All right. So all we have to do now is add 176 to 88. 176 plus 88 equal to around 64 cm squared. Right, so the trick in this question is that there is no base for the cuboid. So the base of the cuboid here is not a face. So the cuboid only has 5 faces. Okay. Moving on, calculate the volume of the solid. So we need to get the cross-sectional area, then multiply that by the length. That will give us volume. Of this prism, right? There's a constant cross-sectional area. So it's a prism multiplied by length. So let's get the cross-sectional area. So we have to get the area that I am indicating here. All right, this is called the cross-section. We have to find the cross-sectional area. We know that the square piece on top is 16 centimeters squared. We will need to find the area of the semicircle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So a semicircle will have an area of a half pi r squared. Okay, so a half times pi times 2 squared. So a half times 2 twos are 4 pi. So we get 2 pi cm squared, right? We have 2 pi. All right, so if pi is 22 over 7, then we have 44 over 7 centimeters squared. All right, which is 6 and 2 sevenths cm squared. All right, and this is what we need to use to solve our problem. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add the 16 centimeters squared to the 6 and 2 sevenths cm squared. And then we're gonna times that by 12. So the length of the solid is 12 centimeters, right? This is cm, of course. So 16 plus 6, we have 22 and 27 centimeters squared times 12 centimeters. All right, so this is 156 over 7. If we change it to improper fraction, multiply by 12. All right. Remember, 7 times 22 is 154, plus 2 is 156. All right, and we're working this out. All right, so with our calculators, 156 times 12 equal divided by 7. All right, so in decimal form, 267.4 cm cubed. This is the volume of our solid. Okay, so let us see now, as we move on to part C, a solid is made from gold. Solid is made from gold. 1 cubic centimeter of gold has a mass of 19.3 grams. Cost of 1 gram of gold is $42.62. Calculate the cost of the gold used to make the solid. So let us convert cm cubes to grams. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this. All right. So we are going with, all right, 267.4 times 19.3 will give us the mass of our solid. 5,160.82 grams, right? Remember that 1 cm cube had a mass of 19.3 grams. Therefore, we just have to multiply 267.4 by 19.3. Okay, now the cost of 1 gram of gold is $42.62. We have 5,160.82 grams of gold, which is 5,160.82 multiplied by $42.62. I get 219,954.15, $219,954.15. The cost of the gold used to make the solid. That's the answer to number 6. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.